To access RealTrack for coil tubing, you need to open OrionNET viewer, select a configuration, click OK. On the bottom right-hand side of your screen, you'll receive confirmation as to whether or not you are acquiring and recording. So these are the exact same steps you take in the field to start a new job. So OrionNET viewer opens and OrionNET live data transfer box appears. This will show you the name of your unit. You can add a new job. You can select a job that you have scheduled in max completions. If we had one scheduled, you would click this and a drop-down would appear. Or you can continue a job that you've already started. So if your computer shuts off for whatever reason and you're in the middle of a job, you can simply continue that job once you reboot OrionNET. Click Finish. You can see that information is streaming onto the platform. RealTrack opens on its own. And here you will see that it's connecting to acquisition. Momentarily, it will say that it is ingesting real-time fatigue data, so tracking real-time fatigue, filtering data. That's what you'll see when it's working as it should. So here, your real-time fatigue will be tracked throughout the job. You can reference your string diagram. There are an event tracker down here with dates, times, etc. If you click on the job setup, this is where you can select your client company. You can assign the string, a reel, the well, and additional details that correspond to the specific job. On the job log, this is all of the information that's being captured in OrionNET with the date and timestamp. And a post-job analysis. Once the job is complete, you can click Job Fatigue Analysis, and these charts will change. You can click Pressure and Depth by Event. You can click Pressure and Depth by Time, Weight by Depth. Once you've completed your job, you can simply close out of RealTrack. It will ask if you want to apply the fatigue. You can say yes. You'll apply the fatigue, and your job is now closed. It will appear as completed in max completions.